Alright, good morning. It's day 3. Woke up, it's about 10 a.m. right now. We have one more tint to remove, a little bit of residue, and then I have to clean the 240. Reed's putting stickers on his Subaru. So we're just gonna hop right into it again. It's taking forever, man. Jeez. Oh no.
That's your clutch?
Yeah,
Just that?
it's so cool inside, it's all dark.
Dude, leave it like that.
I wish dude, I will try to figure that out. I will totally try to figure that out.
Yeah, pull it tighter.
Sick.
That's good. I think as good as it's gonna get, to be honest. We can just do this.
Or is the tint underneath of the film? The whole thing comes off.
Oh yeah, they made that easy for you.
Wow.
That
okay.
that seems like it was done a lot later.
Yeah. The original, you know?
Damn, dude.
What?
These 3 guys were trying to rob this house and this one man fought them all off. Like they did this.
Really?
It's kind of sad. Like they did the whole like, yeah.
Yeah, like the from in-game or whatever.
Right.
I never watched The Office. Well, not actively at least. I've seen The Office. I'm not like in The Office. All that stuff took way longer than I had hoped it would, but between filming Reed's car and this and that and some weather delays, ended up taking like 3 days spread out, but it's only like 3 o'clock now, so I got the rest of today. Everything is checked off the list. All the stickers that I don't want are gone. All the tints are gone, we took them all. Brake lights are in, trim pieces, the shift knob's good. We trimmed the sun shield and then I was gonna put the visors on to hold it, but this one's like duct taped. This one doesn't even have the attachment, if you can see that. I'm gonna hold off on the visors. I put the original rear view up, and then I'm gonna put that no blind spots mirror in the back. I might put it on later, I don't really know, but I don't want it right now. I got a whole list of parts I need to buy and things that I need to fix, but that's all for other videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.